Hello, this is Jan with Lovebird Toys. Today I'm showing you a new toy called Bellafonte. It is strictly meant for the very small birds, like the parakeets, lovebirds, parrotlets, and any other bird along that size. Cockatiels, yes. The toy only measures 11 inches from top to bottom and about 2.5 to 3 inches across. It has the small welded O-rings, and it has a jingly sound. Not very loud, but it's a nice jingle. It's on a spiral stainless piece of metal that's about 4 inches, this way. It has the tags inside, some little plastic beads in here. Is a little heart with a circle on each side. This toy, like I say, is meant just strictly for the very small parrots. This is Jan with Lovebird Toys. Thank you.